This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, September 17th, 2015, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Still with a flow coming out of the south and west, with a ridge over the east and a trough over the north and west. This will continue to bring some southerly winds into our area. Still be a little bit breezy around here, but it is also going to bring a storm system in as well, with some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could become strong to possibly severe. We'll keep watching it as we move through the day today and into tonight. Readings will be in the 70s and 80s across the state, with some sunshine early on, but a lot more clouds in the afternoon and into the evening. Going into Thursday night and then into Friday, we'll see the rain move through, and then a bit of a lull before more rain comes in Friday into Friday night, and that could affect some high school football games. It'll be a lot cooler on Friday, with readings in the 60s in their northwestern counties to near 80 in the south and east. Early day showers on Saturday before clearing out, and it'll be a wonderful weekend across the state for anything going on, camping, or going down to the Iowa football game against Pittsburgh on Saturday. Be very great, highs in the 70s, both Saturday and again on Sunday. Mostly sunny skies here on Sunday. Some rain just off to our west, but a lot of the country is pretty much dry outside the plains, the northeast, and a little bit of the south and west, with some monsoonal flow going into Southern California. As we move into the new work week, though, the winds begin to come around to the southwest as the high pressure moves off to our east. That's going to start to warm the temperatures slowly as we move through the week into Monday, Tuesday. Here it's still going to be a little bit warmer, maybe upper 70s by that point, maybe near 80 in some areas. Many precipitation will be to our north and northwest, and across the southwest, where they could get quite a bit of rain there. And that monsoonal flow from the southwest begins to move further to the north and east, and this could scrape our northwestern counties by the middle of next week, with some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two. But the best chances look to remain until next Thursday, with a disturbance moving through. You can see a fairly decent upper level feature off the northwest coast, another over northern Quebec, moving up and out into the far North Atlantic. But around here we still have a disturbance that could bring a few showers and maybe a thunderstorm. Better chances look to be just to the north of the state. Of course, this is still a week from now, so we could see some slight changes in the modeling as we move closer to the period. Any rain also would be over the southwest and the northwest coast. Speaking of that, look at the trough we see in the extended period. This is on the 29th of September. Well, it might look a lot like February, especially in the northern part of Canada, but this trough axis off to the west, bringing quite a bit of rain and maybe some very high elevation snow, especially in the northern Rockies. But here we still have south and southerly winds, so we're going to stay warm probably through the rest of the month of September, until the storm system comes in around the 1st of October or so, and this is the 2nd. You can see a storm system just moving away from the state. Pretty much a zonal flow across the country, as the temperatures will slowly start to head back towards seasonal levels as we move into the first part of October. You can see one system is departing the area, another system off to our north and west, producing some showers and across Montana and Washington, but nothing real exciting going on as we look toward the first few days of October. We'll keep watching to see if anything changes in that respect. Satellite image from last evening. You see the next system approaching from the north and west, producing some showers and thunderstorms across the Dakotas. A little bit of activity across Florida, producing quite a bit of decent rainfall down there. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet across the country, and you can see that with the watch warning map from last evening. Some air quality problems around D.C., Baltimore up to Philadelphia. Other than that, flood watches along the east coast of Florida into southeastern Georgia. It's fairly quiet across the country at this point. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the rainfall continues over Florida, quite a bit down there. Around here, about an inch or so. Some areas may only get a half an inch, and some may get upwards of 1 to 2 inches.